Okay, may buntag sa tanan ug mabuhay madayaw, and welcome to this week's edition of Pep Talks. I'm Ian Garcia, your moderator for this press forum. And with us today, we have several guests now. It's going to be a very eventful month of April and May for Davao region. So isa-isahon na to our guests, no? And perhaps they can also say a little something about their event. Siguro sugod sa pinakatumoy, our very good friend, Ms. Ryan Arao of Rogen Inn.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ryan Araw of Rogen Inn, Davao. Right now, I'm here to promote, of course, the only property that has 338 rooms, 3 years old, and proud to be in the heart of the city, which is in downtown. Okay. Right now, we are promoting, of course, work from home, work from hotel. Instead of work from home, let's do work from hotel. Elevate your remote work experience for only 2,075, and you will enjoy quiet, professional workspace, and also comfortable, spacious rooms and an upgraded internet connection. So where would you like else to be but in Rogen Inn? Because we have improved and upgraded our internet connection. Thank you. Ay, eto pa pala. Sorry. Okay, of course, it's April. Happy Easter! You will see our guests here, from of course, Malagos Garden Resort. Una-una. At Rogen Inn for only 2075 pa rin, and enjoy an Easter egg hunt right inside your room. O, di ba? Very unique. Mag-Easter egg hunt kayo sa room nyo. Thank you!
Thanks, Rai. Later, we'll get more details. So, and of course, we'll be discussing about the upcoming Kalutong Filipino. Pero later, ito na, Then we also have Jane Lynn from Malagos Garden Resort. Jane Lynn Duran.
Yes, mabuhay ug madayaw everyone. Hindi po ako si Bini Colette. I'm Jane Duran, Director of Sales for Malagos Garden Resort and Malagos Homegrown. So, as you can see, we're dressed as beanies. Actually, we have our ongoing Hello Summer Roadshow starting last month of March until May. So we're going around offices of our valued clients and partners to beat the heat of the summer by showcasing our sizzling entertainment and of course promoting our exciting deals for summer promo and of course the Lenten season and the Easter Sunday.
Thanks, Jane. Later, by the way, Malagos Garden Resort will be giving us a very short entertainment later and some treats and games. So, ay sa maghawa diha. Okay, thank you so much, Jane. And from Montefrio Garden Resort, we have Luis Salazar. Welcome back. Mabuhay
Yes, sir.
madayaw.
Mabuhay og madayaw. Good morning, everyone. So today I'm here to promote for the upcoming Easter egg hunt and bazaar for Montefrio Garden Resort. And by the way, I am Luis Enrico Salazar, Senior Sales and Marketing Executive. So for this summer and for the upcoming holidays next week, I'll be promoting today the Easter egg hunt and bazaar for Easter Sunday and also the ATV adventure that we are the only resort to offer the closest ride going to the nearest spot that you can witness Mount Apo. And also the for the summer also the Mount Apo 3 days 2 nights day hike that is only offered at Montefrio Garden Resort.
Okay, thanks so much, Luis. From Easter and summer, we go to wellness and beauty. Of course, as pabagikan from our very own beauty and wellness guru here in Davao, my very good friend, Miss Golda Divina Gracia. Hi,
Thank you,
Golds.
Ian, and mabuhay ug madayaw. First time ko makasulti ug mabuhay ug madayaw, so I want to give it like a very good feeling. Mabuhay ug madayaw. I am Golda Divina Gracia. As he said, I'm a beauty and wellness advocate. So I have 3 businesses that all caters to achieving just that, beauty and health and wellness. So I'm the owner of Bloom Aesthetic Salon and Spa. We are launching the Color Smart system where it is curated for specific priorities like kung pregnant or lactating mom ka, we have that. And then if you have sensitive scalp, we also have that. And then if you are on a budget, we also have that. And then kung perimenopausal ka na or menopausal ka na and you want to be ahead sa imong laban sa age, then we also have that. And then, I'm also part owner of Kisekin Japan. It's a beauty forward company, and we have 3 products like mist in a bottle. So, bukalit lang ana lift imuhang face. And then, a sunblock na one-step approach to sunblock na protection and glow because it has 8 beauty ingredients. And finally, I'm actually here for the Feel Great System. I'm the Senior Director of the Feel Great System Davao and Philippines. We will have a seminar tomorrow. It's a free seminar at Acacia Hotel. There's going to be 2 seminars, 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. It will all be about taking charge of your health by taking control of insulin resistance. And I'll be talking about it more, especially tomorrow. So thank you.
Okay, thanks so much. Total na sugda naman nato ang about your activity tomorrow. No? We'll just ask you lang, unsa mga activities mo within the event tomorrow sa Feel Great Davao? And who's going to be attending this activity?
Yes, so the Miss Crystal Bello is coming. Siya mismo, and she will be tackling about this system and product. So this product is actually from the US. It is approved globally in 60 countries. So it is Swiss tested, and it's all about us being able to deal with insulin resistance because it is studied that most of the diseases are coming from this becoming insulin resistant. So tomorrow, there will be some seminars on how to actually parang take charge of your health. Kasi itong system na to also not just give you like health, but also meron siyang mga nire-release na mga GLP-1 hormone and mga microbiomes that will help you become younger as well. Yan.
Mao na secret nimo?
Mao na isa sa secret. Kay tulubay ako secret.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, balik na kay Ryan because Ryan will be helping also the DOT and the DA for the upcoming Buwan ng Kalutong Pilipino. So she's wearing 2 hats today. So Ryan, of course, kaning Buwan ng Kalutong Pilipino is an annual activity of the DA, the DOT and NCCA, no? Tama ba ko? Tama ko yung nakulang akuan?
Department of Agriculture.
DA, oh yeah.
Okay, this event is spearheaded, of course, by the Department of Tourism, together with Department of Agriculture and NCCA. All right, it's called Buwan ng Kalutong Pilipino, Sarap ng Pagkain Pilipino, Yaman ng ating kasaysayan, kultura at pagkatao. We do this every April of the month, and this is we've been doing this since 2019, I believe 2019. It started in 2019. And this year, we will be doing it again from April 25 to 27. That's a weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this is also participated by the different provinces of Region 11. Of course, we have Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, Davao de Oro, Davao del Sur, and Davao del Norte, and of course, Davao City. So there will be different activities related to mga indigenous na mga heirloom recipes, of course, for as old as 50 years old. Karon na atay, most especially this isa ka presenter nato coming from Bagobok, Tribong Bagobok Lata. I-show niya ang paghimog yun sa authentic nilotlot, o, di ba? And then we will also be using mga ingredients na medyo wala na kaayo na gamit, sama sa mga iba, balimbing, mga singog, o, di ba? Mga ingana na mga ingredients gamiton for this special event. So please be there 25, 26, and 27 of April and experience Merienda Bonanza prepared by our different provinces, and of course, opening na atay pa fiesta. Diba?
Okay, fiesta is more the general theme, no?
Yes,
for the event.
Oo na siya ang theme. Yes po. This will also be participated by TIDC, the Tourism Educators Association of Davao City, and of course, Philippine Women's College and the City Government of Davao through the Office of the City Tourism. City Tourism Office. Yes.
Okay na, gibalira. Okay, Jane, tell us more about your upcoming Easter, no? Easter is the event, no?
Yes, sir.
For Malagos Garden Resort.
Yes.
Pati ba ang Malagos Homegrown?
Yes, we do
Okay.
have two Easter promotions for both properties, po, Sir Ian. But before that, we would like to share our ongoing Hello Summer promos for as low as 5,000 per night in a deluxe room. That's good for two. And aside from breakfast buffet, it is also inclusive of dinner at Koi Cafe and free access to all our resort attractions and the bird show. And if you wish to visit for a day trip, we have swim and dine promo at 600 net per head. That is inclusive of free access to all our resort attractions, complimentary use of the swimming pool, and the 450 is consumable for food and beverage at View Deck Cafe. And of course, our upcoming promotion for Lenten season, we also have summer staycation if you wish to retreat during the holidays, April 17 until the 20. So for as low as 5,599 per night in a deluxe room, that's good for two, inclusive not only breakfast at Koi Cafe, but also our holiday lunch buffet starting April 17 until the 20th. And then for our Easter promotions, our thematic lunch buffet is at 949 per adult and 549 for the kid. That is inclusive of our thematic lunch buffet at Coral Pavilion, access to all our resort attractions, and the longest running interactive bird show of the Philippines, our Malagos Bird Show. And for the kids to join our Easter egg hunting activities, you only have to pay for an additional of 250 per kid and 350 per kid. You have to choose between the two. The difference lang po is the 350 has a complimentary one round of snacks, popcorn, cotton candy, and ice cream. And all of those is inclusive na po of our clown show, magic show, bubble show, our live mascot entertainment, and of course, our egg hunting activities where the kids will hunt for the 12 golden eggs. And the 12 golden eggs has minor and major prizes such as our weekend lunch buffet passes, resort admission, plated lunch, resort activities, and the major prize is our voucher for an overnight stay in a deluxe room. So the kids will not only enjoy, but win exciting prizes. And we wish to see your kids with their most creative costume as we will be awarding the top 5 best in costume. And of course, for Malagos Homegrown, dami. At located at Matina Playa, for those who look for a near venue for the Easter egg hunting activities, we also have at Malagos Homegrown for only 550 per adult and 500 per kid. That is inclusive of the snack buffet, our Easter egg hunting activities such as the clown show, magic show, and of course the egg hunting activities where we also have minor and major prizes for the 12 golden eggs. Thank you.
Ayun, okay. So, from Davao City, we go to Davao del Sur in Kapatagan
Yes,
for
sir.
Montefrio.
Yes, for Montefrio Garden Resort, your luxury highland escape in the highlands of Mount Apo. For this upcoming Lenten season, we will be having a Easter egg hunt and bazaar on April 20. That is a Sunday. It is only 249 pesos net per person, inclusive of pool, resort access, magic show, face painting, the egg hunting, and also a refreshments and food bites for both adults and kids. And it's also we are the only one resort to offer this kind of experience to the highlands of Mount Apo, sir. And also for the upcoming summer, as what I've said earlier, the ATV ride, it's only 700 net per person, inclusive 1 hour use. So we have this exclusive track going to the nearest point that you can witness Mount Apo using a 4x4 ATV track. So we have available 4 units for the ATV, so you can use it with your family, with your friends, barkada, and etc. You can use it during your stay at Montefrio. And also for the upcoming summer, I'm also re-promoting our 3 days, 2 nights hike to Mount Apo. And we are the only resort to offer that kind of experience. Where in the first day, you'll check in at Montefrio. On the second day, at 12 midnight, you'll start the trek and you go back to Montefrio by the by the same day at 4 p.m. So it starts at 17,410, inclusive of your daily breakfast, your accommodation, the transportation, and of course your tour guide and the experience that you get to have it at Mount Apo. So because in the regular city government they do offer this, but it's a minimum of 5 persons each hike. But at Montefrio, we promote the exclusivity, the personal experience that that we get to offer to you. So even though if you're just 2 packs, 3 packs, we will still push the tour because at Montefrio we always believe that the exclusivity that you can experience, hindi yung madami kayo. So kahit dalawa lang kayo with your partner or your friend or your family, pwede masyado,
With the
sir.
same rate, yeah, po.
Yes, sir. 17,410 for 3 days yan, sir. So 2 nights stay at Montefrio, day hike 12 midnight to 4 p.m. Then you get to stay again on the second night, relax, and the third day you check out.
What train will you be using?
We'll be using the Kapatagan train, the nearest station, sir.
Kapatagan train.
Yes, sir. So it's inclusive of your breakfast, lunch during your hike.
Covered na to, no?
Yes, sir.
Including the
Covered yan
photo.
lahat. Only at Montefrio. You're the
Alright.
only one to offer that kind of
Okay,
experience.
so katong mga wala pa kasaka o Mount Apo, nakasaka na ba mo? Mount Apo, this could be your chance, no?
Yes, because this package, sir, is only we have created this package especially to our guests who have short time during their visit to the highlands of Mount Apo. So you have 3 days, only 3 days. You get to experience Mount Apo and Montefrio at the same time.
And you have to take advantage of this opportunity kay after summer magsarado na pala Mount
Yes,
Apo.
sir.
So,
They close at, I think, that's July to August, September, I think, sir.
September,
Yes, sir.
October na pag
So this
mag-reopen.
is available during our summer or this is an all year round package for Montefrio and Mount Apo.
Alright, thank you so much, Luis. Okay, we'll now ask na ako. Nawala kayo sa question for Golda pa. How can one join your activity tomorrow and do they need to pay? O sabay,
This is for
mechanics?
free. This is for free. You just go there with an open mind and then absorb everything. Kasi we will take care of your coffee and your desserts. No? So you do come. So, inunuta na ko nga from Easter egg hunting, dirita sa kuha nga Fountain of Youth hunting na punta. Oh, di ba? So tomorrow again, Crystal Bello will be there with other support groups from our group, mga leaders. And then we will again be talking about the Feel Great system. It's a system that has that promotes 2 products. One, and this is plant-based. The tea is plant-based, and the other one is it has an egg in it, but it's all about the tea. Is actually it's like matcha ng Japan. Tas ito si yerba mate is the tea of South America. So what it does really, it helps you with mental clarity. It helps you release your natural GLP-1 hormone. So ano man ginagawa nun? Mas mataas yung satiety mo, medyo busog ka. And then of course, dahil it gives you, parang mas maganda yung ketosis mo. And then, kasi we're also promoting fasting. But hindi ka ngarag nito. It's a fast-assisted program. Hindi ka yung parang you will be at odds with yourself na, huy, gutom ka na, gutom ka na. Ito hindi. It's going to be an easy, breezy kind of fasting. And I know everybody understand the benefits of fasting, right? But because you will be drinking this tea, it will help you pa na i-maximize ang effects ng fasting because nga, i-assist ka na maglabas ng GLP-1 hormone. So yung GLP-1 hormone mo will help you have more mental clarity. Tapos yung isa naman, yung soluble fiber, it will coat your gut. So, kunyari, 40% of your sugar and cholesterol will not be absorbed by your gut because pag drink mo ng soluble fiber, i-coat na niya yung gut mo. So, hindi na papasok ang 40% dun sa system mo, ilalabas na lang niya yun. So, usually, there's like a lot of parang test talaga, like mag-sugar ka muna, pakita mo, and then mag-drink ka nung ano mo, nung fiber natin, ng FGS, and then kain ka nung dalawang ensymada. So makita mo talaga na yung supposedly, pag kumain ka nun regularly, parang 300 ang sugar mo na shoot up. Tapos, ang mangyayari sa'yo, parang mga 180 na lang. Kasi 40% will be gone. So what does that 40% mean? The 40% means na wala kang stored fats. No stored fats is equal to walang sugar, no? No sugar is equal to no stored fats, no stored energy. So we will be tackling about it more, but I also wanna emphasize, since dagan man sila project, ako pong isingit ako ang Bloom, no? So yung sa Bloom, again, napod me, gina-push na, ginatawag na mo og, parang it's a vitamin A treatment na tag 299 na lang. So when you do it like weekly nga treatment, mag-dramatic sad kaayo ang imuhang transformation sa skin. Because as we all know, vitamin A helps sa pagpabata, but also helps also nga para sa mga pimples, and then also sa clarity ng skin. So, after nanapod mi mermaid facial, kaya alam namin pa summer naman. So, sa mermaid facial, it's only 699. Kato mga sun worshipper, this one is so refreshing na ay massage sa face, nga na ay machine nga mag-massage. Inya ang katong mga French serums may among ibutang. It's a very relaxing, beautifying treatment. So we hope to see you all there.
Do you do that before you get exposed sa sun or after?
Pwede ra gyud kaayo because
Anytime.
there's going to be cleansing as well. So yung may mga clogged pores, ganyan. Kasi yung mga serums na yon, program din siya, let's say, if you have oily skin, dry skin, so kung may pimple skin ka, pimple imong skin, then we also have different serums for that. But the experience is really, really relaxing kasi naimi murag duha ka machine nga murag i-ana-ana guys sa imong nawong para ma-plancha tong gamot, but also i-massage. So you guys would really want it, no? Because this one has no peeling effects. In fact, it will also support your skin barrier. Tapos natanggalan kapag mga di ka nais-nais sa imong nawong. So you will be having those selfies or those photos with the sun nga or under the sun nga dili ka nga gwapo imong skin kay mag-glow-glow.
Okay.
thank
Perfect yun na for summer. No? I'm sure we have more questions. I have more questions to ask, pero I'll open now the floor to our friends sa media. Basi may question. Yes, Jandy?
Hello, good morning. Jandy Esteban po sa GMA Davao. You already give us the details of the events. Kay ma'am, hi ma'am, good morning. Kasi we are experiencing kasi, diba, we are going to summer, diba? And lately, we experience 40 degrees Celsius heat index. So how should we maintain wellness in summer?
Sunblock talaga. Thank you for giving me this opportunity because as I also mentioned ganiha, I am the co-owner of Kisek in Japan. We have a very wonderful sunblock, no? It has 50 SPF, 50 PA+++. So anong meaning yan? It will protect you sa UVA o UVB. What is UVA, UVB? UV na aging and UV na burning. So, labaw na sa burning, no? So, dili sa tua, ang concern yun nato is burning. Burning is equal to aging as well. Pero sometimes, I also call it manggod ang sunblock na ni nga kumuad to ka, let's say, like, we ato kong Korea atong November, ga sunblock gihapon ko, maski guway sun, kay na may UVA. No? Ganahan lagi ko nagbinisaya ko ba? So anyway, so this sunblock has the highest SPF Japanese standard. No? Nagyud mi na aprobahan gyud mi sa New York anang ama kanang ilahang gitestingan gyud amo ang sunblock. Unya naa siya 8 ingredients, na siya mga niacinamide, vitamin C, rosa multiflora at kung ano-ano pa. So kato siya gigawa yun siya kay para nga pagka morning, pag nagbutang na ka, dili na ka kinahanglan mo butang og other serums because it already has 8 serums, no? And it's all synergized to make you protected but also glowing. So it's a very wonderful product that is good for the face, body, and hair, in fact. So like ako, kay masyadong bleach my hair, I also put some if I go under the sun. So it's really wonderful. It's both protection, again, and beauty. So thank you.
All right. How about the practice? We should practice during summer to maintain wellness.
Drink lots of water as well. Kasi ang mga dehydration, no? And then, I would suggest, pag summer, medyo hinaan natin yung mga peeling agents natin. That is why, my 299 nga retinol, it's still running, but magsa-stop na yon to pave way for the mermaid facial and the mermaid treatment. Kasi nga, we would want people to understand na medyo formidable po ang sun. So we need to be very conscious about protecting and taking care of our skin na dili nato siya himuong mas sensitive to the sun. So even with your mga daily treatment sa balay, dapat dili pud ta atong mga medyo kung kinahanglan gyud ta mag-retinol, kung everyday taga-retinol or any bleaching or whitening products na, especially nag-peel, medyo kung everyday, mga twice a week na lang. And make sure na dili ka magpainit in the next 2 to 3 days, parang ganon. And then, pag na sunog ka na, pwede po mo ato sa Bloom kay na-amaze core light treatment, cell oxygenation and repair treatment. Kanang mga sunog gani yan, yung ato sa mo niya, 3 days na mo siya nga, kanang sunod-sunod i-treat mo, mawala sad ba? Kasi kung pasagdan man gud na, murapod nagkanang magluto ka gani nga, gibutang lang nimo sa heat, magpada o mapaig gihapon. So, if you go to us, we will help you nga dili ka madayunan og kapaig. Kana. O painless, it's just light. And sabihin nga nila, parang wala mang effect. Hindi, kala mo lang na wala, pero meron.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Opo. Ma'am, since we're celebrating the buwan ng Kalutong Pilipino, what's the contribution of the private sector in ensuring the longevity of the Filipino culinary?
Thank you for that question. Okay, for the private, this event is more of the government sector. So we are launching here we are showcasing here the vast culinary traditions and treasures of Davao region. As for the private sectors, we are trying to invite them to highlight the Philippine food, our recipes, our Filipino food. Yan yung pinapa-highlight natin, especially for this month. So we are trying to invite other hotels to highlight mga lutong Pilipino. So sana yun yung gawin ng mga especially hotels kasi I'm also a member of the Davao Hotel Resort Sales and Marketing Association. So it's very easy to tap them and to get their support, which is always 100%. So hopefully this April, they will do the same in regards to supporting Philippine Food Month.
All right. I suppose to ask this question sa DA since wala naman po. Baka pwede po kayong makasagot.
I will try my best.
How does hotels or how do hotels preserve Filipino food? How do they help in preserving Filipino food?
As of the moment, we have not engaged in any activity that would preserve Filipino food. However, I think most chefs right now, I'm not a chef, but nakikita ko naman in most hotels, they highlight a certain dish that is truly Filipino or Mindanaoan. In fact, some hotels are already serving chola itong. Some are already serving nilotlot. Although it has a twist in it, But at least they are trying to really um, expose or really promote na ang ating dish ay hindi basta-basta at ma-enjoy ng lahat.
May mga reports din po ba, ma'am, na nakaka-apekto yung low in supply of some ingredients and the availability of it?
With regards to, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Okay, ganito. In terms of ingredients, kasi marami ng yung naka-pack na. But sabihin mo yung raw, that's what we're trying to really push right now. In fact, the Department of Tourism Region 11 hina-highlight po talaga in bringing back the rare yung backyard yung ingredients na nakukuha lang natin sa backyard before. Usually sa bahay natin, 'di ba, may makopa, may tambis. Right now, yan yung hinahanap natin. In fact, DOT 11 has been doing that the entire month, going to places na meron pa existing yan. And so far, we are getting naman the support of the different LGUs na sinasabi nila, dito sa Davao de Oro, marami pang tambis dito or balimbing. Dito merong ganito. So far, gumagawa tayo ng inventory right now. Right now, we are doing an inventory right now in terms of those mga usual ingredients natin sa ating mga lutong Pilipino.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Kasi I'm asking how do we preserve the authenticity of the food with these ingredients like iba, sampalok, with the sinigang. So,
You will witness that this Kalutong Pilipino kasi we are encouraging, in fact, through the Tourism Educators Association of Davao City, yun yung pinapa-encourage natin sa kanila. In fact, merong portion dito sa event na magsa-start, they will do palengke tour. Pupunta sila sa Bangkerohan public market to purchase ingredients that they will use to cook Filipino dish. So, i-make sure natin na available doon at kung wala man, we are encouraging them to bring 1 or 2 rare ingredient. Kumbaga rare na siya, mahirap na siya hanapin, dalhin in case hindi makita sa palengke. But yan yung ilo-launch na, yan yung ipe-present natin the entire 3 days of Kalutong Pilipino.
thank you, ma'am. Sa
Please be there.
Sa Malagos na lang. Kumusta yung natin sa chocolate since tumataas daw yung presyo ng cacao? So how's the, how's the situation sa ating chocolate sa Malagos?
For the chocolates, ma'am, actually, I'm not 100% confident to answer that one because I'm not from Malagos Chocolate. It's a different company. But as far as I know, yes, that's true. The prices are going up. I believe it's because of the limited supply of our cacao beans. I've heard some of the farms in Baguio District are converting their cacao into durian because of the selling price that they're getting from the international market. That's what I've heard. So, yun, I believe one of the challenges that we're getting is the supply of the cacao beans. And of course, the cacao, they have a parang time frame that I think 5 months before the flour turn into cacao pods. So, yun, parang there's a long time of wait. And then the limited supply, of course.
Does it affect the production of our chocolate since we are the chocolate capital of the Philippines? Kasi? So does it affect our production?
Well, based on our daily inventory with Malagos Garden Resort, because we sell the chocolates on site, there are times that there are certain products that are not available because there's no supply. I believe one is the heirloom cacao because of course it's a very limited cacao. Yun, there is really an effect. There are times na walang certain availability of supply for some, but not all naman po.
That's okay, basta as long as the quality is there. Thank you, ma'am.
I'd like to add lang to what Ryan said. No? Kasi for this year's Kalutong, DOT and DA would like to reintroduce ng mga backyard foods kayo na to, especially to the new generation because When was the last time nakakauntag Atis or Star Apple or Tambis, Iba, sa pato mga balimbing. So, lately, murag dili na siya easily available sa market, no? We went around farms in Davao. Ang uban, wala na, nagatanom. Ang uban naman is dili na season karon. So, lisod po siya pangitaon or nakakita bumig yasong and sa pati isa. Sa daghang mga backyard foods so that we used to just harvest ato ang mga kuan lang sa balay lang, but now they're not available. So we want to reintroduce them to the Gen Zs karon kay wala sa kailag apis. So that's one of the reasons why we're also celebrating Kalutong this year. Yes, Carlo. Ay, sorry sir.
By the way, I'm Christian from Davao Tripsters. I would ask from Montefrio. And I was just so curious about the first ever cable car experience in Montefrio. And what was the advantage or about this, the first ever cable car in Davao that I'm very curious about. So,
Thank you for that question, sir. Actually, the first ever closed cable car in Mindanao opened last December 8th, 2024. And Montefrio opened or have that amenity because this will connect the two properties of the resort. So it's around 400 meters cable car ride. It's a closed cable car with glass floors. So we have this vision to bring the international experience to our local market so that it will be accessible to all our guests, to our Kapinoy. So you don't need to travel to other country, having that so much expense because at Montefrio we really have that vision to bring the international experience and also having that amenity in the property. This has really been a great impact for the resort because we attracted so much guests coming from Cotabato, from Cagayan, from Butuan, just to experience the first ever closed cable car in Mindanao and also to experience the cold mountain of Montefrio and Mount Apo.
and I feel na medyo experience ko siya when it comes to the closed cable car, but I haven't seen to ride this before. So I'm hopefully that I can visit this one at Montefrio.
Yes, sir. I'm inviting you to visit us po. Thank you.
Yes, Carlo?
I just got.
All right, right before I will ask the questions since the two hadn't greeted, let me just greet you. Mayong adlaw, mabuhay ug madayaw gikan sa Dakbayan sa Davao. Sige, I will just have to straighten up the question through the hotels and resorts. It is in relation, in observance of the Holy Week, I suppose. In your humble and honest opinion, and as far as you can answer, how the tourists or how those who have checked in baya sa ilahang for staycation or rather sa spiritual retreat that they would experience while they are observing the Lenten season. So any of you can answer.
Salamat sa imong pangutana. Char. Mabuhay og madayaw, Carl. Okay, with Rojan Inn, kasi Rojan Inn is a business hotel. So basically, most of the guests, most of the people, locals, will be going outside of Davao to enjoy peace and serenity sa mountains, sa beaches. Usually, ganyan naman sila. But we are not discouraged because we have many guests who are still checking in our property during that Lenten week, Holy Week. Okay, some since downtown has how many churches for Catholics. So there are many churches in downtown, yung mga nagbibisita iglesia, it makes it easy for them to go around downtown and stay at Rojan Inn kasi traffic siya. So basically, it's accessible for them kasi we have St. Jude near in our area, we have San Pedro, we have Sacred Heart in Obrero, we have Assumption, ano pa yung mga churches, Santa Ana, of course. So basically, majority of the churches that you usually visit during Lenten season in Davao City, naagyudo sa Rojan Inn at a very affordable price, di ba? And then you get to enjoy pa a breakfast kasi the package includes breakfast. So pwede nila, after nila mag-breakfast, pwede din sila mag-go around for the Bisita Iglesia. Thank you.
How about on the part of Malagos Garden Resort?
Yes, for Malagos Garden Resort, mabuhay Madaya Sir Carlos, sorry. For Malagos Garden Resort, we are very happy. As yesterday, we had our coordination meeting for the upcoming Holy Week because we're getting, for the room occupancy, we're getting 45% as of yesterday. And from April 17 until the 19th, because those were the days na they're staying for the Lenten season. For the Sunday naman, we're expecting a very high day tour guests as we are anticipating, based on the figures last year, for Sunday alone, we have 1,000 day tour guests. So yun yung ina-anticipate namin for this upcoming Holy Week po.
On the part of Montefrio?
Yes, mabuhay ug madaya again, Sir Carl. For Montefrio Garden Resort, starting April 14 to 20, we are already almost fully booked during the time of the holidays next week. And also, for during your stay at Montefrio, we also have this advantage because there's a nearby Panata na cross in somewhere in just 5 minutes away from Montefrio. So guests do have their Panata going up to the mountains where there's station of cross. So that's an additional activity for our guests during their stay at Montefrio. So during that the holiday season by next week, sir, it's really a good thing that our guests book their holidays at Montefrio because they can experience peace, serenity during the holiday season next week.
Okay. Another question, still with the hotel and resorts. I don't know kung sa Rogen Inn ba o sa Montefrio nakiuso ra pod sama sa gibuhat sa Malagos nga Malabini or any of the rest of the previous uso mga what can you say about it na do na ba'y plano? Of course, I don't know if it is your first time to do this or you have done this before katong at any time ang nagtrending ipauso ra pod sa ninyo on the part of welcoming guests for entertainment din. Unahon sa nato ang Malagos Garden Resort. Why you have chosen the motif of Bini?
Yes, thank you for that wonderful question. Actually, Sir Carlo, Malagos Garden Resort has been starting the Christmas sales blitz for 3 years na. So that runs from, of course, we celebrate Christmas season per months na. So we started it September until November because of course December is the busy month. So we're going around, we're caroling, showcasing our talents to our valued clients and partners. And of course, because of the positive feedback from our clients that they enjoyed our visit, so why not make a new one? Because Christmas is a long wait. So we're doing this for the first half of the year. So what is the season for the first half of the year? Of course, it's summer. So we're doing the Hello Summer. And since Bini is yung sikat natin na P-pop group, so and then they have the Pantropico song, which is parang it's a theme song for summer. So why not jump into the trend? And we dress as Binis. We bring good vibes to our clients, and it's also establishing our continued relationship with our clients, not just the business that they gave us, but we also want to leave happy faces, entertainment and fun, and more engaging to our clients. Thank you.
How about on the part of Rogen Inn?
Okay, we started, remember the contest of Kada song during Kadayawan? I think we were the first one to pass a Kada dance during the Kadayawan. Although we didn't win. Pero at least yung effort. So ginagawa namin siya every Kadayawan. Meron kaming pinapalabas na reel. But the one that Balagos is doing, ibibigay namin yan sa kanila. Kanyang corona yan. Sasabay lang kami sa likod niya. Susuporta namin siya. Thank you.
Sa Montefrio?
Kung anong sinabi ni Miss Rai, sa kanila na yung corona. Oo. Kasi I commend Bini for Bini Jane in Malagos for having that kind of sales blitz, and only Malagos can do that.
Alright.
Hindi namin kaya yon. Sa kanyang corona.
Okay. Okay, with the due diligence of our media guests and also with the essence of time management, the last question is to Miss Divine Grace. Likely, I like to be intrigued. I'm very intrigued about this trend right now because although we may go out at any time, especially during, sorry if I have to give an example, the campaign season. Though, however, some of the people going around, naka-experience sila na masunog ilang panit for that. But can you give them advice para sa ilaha, regardless kay maagnas ang ilahang kagwapa. So regardless whoever they are, whether they are running or if they are just joining the crowd.
Hello? Kay mabuhay ug madayaw. Ano gyud daw? Gi-coach ko niya, mabuhay ug madayaw, Sir Carl and everybody. So, thank you for that wonderful question. Yung Kisekin Japan, as I have mentioned, nga na ay sunblock, unya napud mi katong mist. Katong mist, we call it V-Sculpt and Glow. So, kato siya, wala to siya peeling agent as well. It has more than 40 ingredients. Nga it's all about protecting the skin barrier. It's all about building your natural collagen and proteins. Unya, kay namang hud siya ka ng patented na water technology. Think of water nga, di ba, different og mga benefits. We have the alkaline, the mineral, and then the distilled, right? It has different functions. Kini siya sa kabright sa mga Hapon, nihimo pod silang ing-ana, but gi-engineer siya para mas lalom ang hydration. So kato siya, pwede ninyo to siya gamiton yun maskig naamog dagat, kung i-dry na inyong skin sa kainit ug sa kanang ka-salty sa dagat, you can spray that. But also, spray sad gyud atong amo ang sunblock. Now, how do you use the sunblock? You use the sunblock since it's 50 PA+++. That means you are protected for 50 minutes, for an hour or so. So, if you're going under the sun, kay magsirena ka ngadto, you make sure nga nag-apply ka muna bago ka moadto sa sun. Unya, mag-reapply ka every hour or 2 hours. No, kung di jud ka stop sa imong sarili nga magbabad ka nga dito, sige jud kag apply. Our Kisekin Aero Skin Pro is waterproof. So pwede ra nimo na siya gamiton, but also kung pwede po, like ako, I'm already in my 50s. So dili po ko magpataka nga pareha sa mga bata nga alas 10 hantod alas 3, no? Mamili po kog time. So kung ako, siguro alas 5 hantod alas 7 sa morning. Unya alas 5 po sa hapon up. Dili na ko mag-risk anang masyadong ano. Kung mo risk man ko ngadtog magpainit, 10 minutes tingali tops. No? Kay para hadlok lang ko kay my skin is already compromised in a way kay kanang magsige ba ako kanang papil ba? No. So even nga kanang dili ko mag-peel for that season, hadlukan gihapon ko kay nabi ako beauty industry. Yes, Sir Carl.
Yes, okay. So, maura man to, may nalang wala nakawat ang question nako ni Christian. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Do you have more questions? Okay na. Wala na questions, sir?
May buntag sa tanan, si Bian Abanos sa DXDCRM and Davao. Nabay natabang, no? Namang kukoy ng mga na-interview sa balay ni former President Duterte na gikan sa laing lugar ni Anhilang diri kay para mo ato silang balay. So, nabay somewhat ba nga nakatabang sa tourism ang nahitabo or nabay nagaani diri pag adto sa balay ni former president nga nagaduaw sa inyo ni boost ba ang tourism?
Who would like to answer first?
Pwede ra po dili okay lang. Walay
Okay. So far, murag wala man gud mi gibuhat nga data regarding that. So wala ko'y matubag kung naami data regarding guests coming in, mag-check-in aron mo adto sa mo-avail sa tour. Di ba? We used to have that kind of tour, di ba? So far, sorry kayo sir, wala ni data.
For FIT, sir, unfortunately, we don't have the data if they're visiting. We have the data where they're coming from, like they come from Manila and stuff, and from other regions, but no certain parang they went to the house of Duterte to visit. But the data that I can give you is during our visit for expos in Manila and Cebu, and we did also sales blitz in those areas. And one of the feedback from our corporate clients is that they are not visiting Davao City because of the current situation, because of the safety issues. So yun yung feedback na ma-share ko from corporate accounts.
For Montefrio also, sir, we don't have that kind of data. But yes, as Miss Jane said a while ago, for when we went to Cebu during the expo, the security they are asking about it, and they also have their parang nagkasimpatya siya with the people, with what's happening. So that's it.
Okay, do we have more questions? Gio?
Hello, good morning. Ma'am, yung sa event niyo, ma'am, Kalutong Pinoy ba niyo, no? Is this the first time to partner with government agencies, ma'am?
Okay. Since it started, naanagid siya yung mga institutional partners. So, this is a DA project, but highly supported by the Department of Tourism and the National Commission for Culture and Arts. Yon. So sila. And then, of course, supported by the different provinces of Davao region. So we've been doing this since, well, as the one part of this since 2019. Kuan kay siya. Every year na ay iba-ibang theme, but this year, pinapa-highlight natin yung mga nakalimutang produkto ng kalutong Pilipino, which is yung mga dating backyard fruits, yun yung nabanggit niya.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Since it's an annual event, ma'am, anong difference niya this year compared to previous events, ma'am?
Okay. Every year, ang highlight, talaga siya, ang highlight talaga niya is the, wait lang, I'll get my notes muna. Sadali lang talaga. Okay. Ang highlight talaga niya, sir, is really promoting Filipino dishes, heirloom dishes. So, sa past, ang atong gi-highlight, kay for example, ang 100-year-old na pandesal sa Davao de Oro, na kato siya, highlighted nato, ang banana cake na more than 50 years na pod sa Davao del Norte, and of course, ang pagluto sa nilotlot. But this year, Davao City, LGU Davao is highlighting the nilotlot of Abagobok Lata. So yung kanilang authentic way of preparing nilotlot. This will be This will be done the entire weekend. And of course, and other LGUs, ilahang dalon mga ingana. For the schools, ang partner po nato ng mga schools, i-highlight po nila ang mga karaang dishes with the twist. For example, karon na like for example sa ilaha, adobo karaan naman gyud ang adobo, di ba? Pero gibutangan og tsokolate. Mao na ba? Murag nag-evolve na pod siya. Nga na siya.
Okay. Ma'am, within Davao region lang yung cuisines ang i-highlight, ma'am? Or outside Davao region?
As much as possible, we try to highlight yung Mindanao sa ating Mindanao dishes. As much as possible, that's what we try to highlight.
Pero focus niya is Davao region lang?
Yes, Davao region.
Sige. And last question, ma'am, I don't know if na-mention na, what are the activities from 25 to 27, ma'am?
Okay, for the 25-27, naatay mga urban gardening na mga topics provided by the Department of Agriculture, and of course, we have from farm to table na preparations, na daghan kaayo tag mga food demonstration to be conducted by the different LGUs of Davao City, and of course our partner schools natay daghang mga food demonstration and some mga topics to be discussed like what I've said kanina, ang urban gardening mo na ang highlight nato.
Thank you. To our Davaoeños and to all tourists.
Yes, for Montefrio, sir, it's actually we'll be tackling about that at the next pep talk. For the summer, we have this Barkada Getaway program. So Barkada package, I mean Barkada Getaway package. So we'll be talking about that on the following pep talk. So we're just finalizing out things. So this is a package that is directly for Barkadas, where you will have a boodle fight and all that during your stay at Montefrio Garden Resort.
Ah, that's nice. How about Malagos?
Yes, sir. For Malagos Garden Resort, as discussed earlier, our Hello Summer promotions. For summer staycation, we have for as low as 5,000 per net in a deluxe room. That's good for two with breakfast and inclusive of dinner at Koi Cafe. And if you wish to visit for a day trip, we have swim and dine promo. That's 600 per person, inclusive of free use of the resort attractions, complimentary use of the swimming pool, and the 450 is consumable for the food and beverage at View Deck Cafe that is available daily from 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. Thank you.
I'm looking forward for those promos that I can. Very amazing to travel soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Before we wrap things up, no, I'd like to hear lang a few words from our guests. Kasi dapat mo idungag nga mga added info on your respective events and promotions. We started Golda.
Again, thank you very much to everyone for giving me this opportunity. So tomorrow, if I may invite you again, this is a free seminar. Baka ito na yung kailangan nyo para you can take hold of your health and beauty tomorrow at Acacia Hotel at 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. So kung hindi kayo pwede ng 10, pwede kayo ng 12. And then it's going to be free. We will take care of your coffee and some desserts. So see you there.
Anyone can join, no? This is open
Anyone
to
can
the public.
join. Pwede din yung mga anak mag-join para malaman nila, then they can also give this information to their parents. So
Ayun.
lahat, or otherwise, pwede ikaw mismo if you have like desire. Kasi meron kasi yung iba na nagka-calorie deficit na, nagpa-fasting na, hindi pa rin sila maayos yung kanilang blood sugar and mga cholesterol. But when they were doing this, madami na hindi na sila nag-drink ng mga gamot para sa diabetes and even sa cholesterol. So, but this one is also promoting healthy lifestyle kasi. So hopefully, you will come and see us.
Yeah.
Look for me lang, Golda.
Let's equip ourselves with the information bago tayo mag-ando sa mga summer activities. Okay, thanks so much,
Thank you.
guys.
Okay, again, I'm inviting everyone to experience the cold mountain of Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland Escape, and experience our the Easter egg hunt and bazaar that is happening on April 20, and of course, experience the only ATV ride at Montefrio Garden Resort, and of course, a 3 days, 2 nights hike at Mount Apo during your stay at Montefrio Garden Resort. And thank you so much, thank you, Sir Ian, and mabuhay og madayaw.
Jane?
Yes, mabuhay Madayaw again, everyone. So we're inviting everyone to let's beat the heat of the summer and rediscover and reconnect with nature at Malagos Garden Resort this summer season and of course the Lenten season. So we hope to see you there. And of course our Malagos Homegrown and Matina Playa. Thank you.
Ryan?
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. Thank you very much for this opportunity for us to be able to promote especially local establishments, homegrown establishments such as Rojan Inn, and of course Malagos Garden Resort, and of course Montefrio, and of course the businesses of Ma'am Golda. Please support local, please support homegrown, especially at these times. Thank you so much.
Itaw.